Hello friends, my name is Professor M. S. Rao. I have authored 52 books including the award-winning book titled See the Light in You, for which the Nobel laureate, His Holiness Dalai Lama, has written a foreword. I have 42 years of diversified experience including Indian Air Force, business, teaching and training. In this video, I talk about financial independence and financial freedom. Everyone wants to make money, but everybody can't make it because it requires right mindset, skill set and tools set. And first of all, you should have passion to make money when you want to strike it big. But even otherwise, if you want to lead a very peaceful and happy life, you need to emphasize on financial literacy, and you should be independent without depending on others. So when you are independent, you don't have to depend on someone, and you can lead your life peacefully and happily. There are several ways to make money. First of all, if there are any debts are there, clear them, and avoid uh, credit cards, and do freelancing, and become a gig worker, and start a YouTube channel and blog, participate in surveys. So likewise, there are very many ways to make money, and if you don't have that risk appetite, you can start a side hustle and do various areas to make money. And when you are confident and competent, then you can become a full-time entrepreneur and you can start main business. So to start with, you have to start this side hustle, and that's the best way, especially for the people who are risk averse, but they want to take a risk. And above all, not to take a risk is also a risk. So you need to take a risk in life because life is fragile. At the same time, you have to be very much optimistic and resilient in life. When you look at my own life, I let me share with my challenge. I was blessed to be alive of the brain stroke in the year of 2021. I survived because of my positive psychology, because of the power of subconscious mind, and because of the healthy habits that I acquired from Indian Air Force. I am a late bloomer with OCD, Dyslexic and ADHD. Add to that, the brain stroke worsened my health. I am 60 years old. I was born in a toxic family and grew up in a toxic environment. I have mental challenges, physical challenges, and financial challenges. I am 60 years old with lots of challenges. Despite all the challenges, I rose like a phoenix. I still belong to a lower middle class family. I don't have two-wheeler, I don't have four-wheeler. And I did my own activities by educating my sons. I'm happy that they are leading their own lives. Now I have to generate income by any means so that I can lead my life peacefully and comfortably. So the message from this video is that explore some creative ways to make money, and age is just a number. When you look at Colonel Sanders, he was a role model, and he was a military officer, and he became successful in late age. So he became very successful. Age is just a number. Only thing, you should have that fire in your belly so that you can make money and you can lead your life comfortably. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel.